Well, hi there, guys, gals. Larry here. Welcome to Larry's Fountain Pen Review. I'm Larry, your host here in Fort Worth, Texas, and today I am going to do a review on a Chinese pen name, Mr. Announcer.
Luoshi.
Kind of reminds me of, what's that character's name?
Well, it's similar to Luigi and as also Yoshi from Mario series.
See, that's what it reminds me of. Kind of cool. Awesome. Ooh, cool. So, that gets a ding-dong, or a one of those, right? One of those babbling guys, okay? Called the babble button, babble, babble, babble. But here it is, right here. Let's talk about the Luoshi, however you say it. Of course, I just messed up the word, but that's okay. That's what I do good. What?
Luoshi.
Luoshi. Luoshi this, Luoshi that. Here it is. All right, it's a Chinese-made pen, right here. Nice-looking pen, Mr. Announcer's pen. It's a metal pen with heavy lacquer on it. Really nicely done. The weight of it is 33.4 G's with no ink whatsoever in the pen. And the clip, nice sturdy clip. It's in there, not moving anywhere, securely. Looks like the logo is right here on top of the clip. I do like the color swirls in it. Looks like a blue or some purple in it, and blacks and white. What does it look like to you?
Yeah, a little bit of each of that.
A little bit of each of that, yeah, like get some ink. Looks pretty cool though. Nice looking pen. And then you come down to the cap, and then you're going to find gold plated ring, and then there's 3 what it looks like smaller rings that are joined together to make one wider ring. And you go down the barrel, it kind of just narrows down to the tip. Pull off cap. Does it post securely? Let's see. And it does do that nice and securely. When you post the pen, it's going to be from the top of the cap to the tip of the nib. It's going to be it's going to be 6.25 inches. Now the pen itself, when it's capped, is going to be 5.56 inches. As you go down the barrel, there's not really much of a step off. You can fill the grooves right here where the pen will screw on to where the pen will snap onto the barrel, excuse me. And it's not a big grip, but I believe it's going to handle even large fingers. And let me look at something here. Luoshi, you said? Is that how you pronounce it?
Luoshi.
Luoshi. So it has the number 342 Luoshi on it, on the pen. And on the nib, it has the name again, 22KGP on it, and with the logo on it. And let's flip it over, and there is a feed, plastic feed right there. So we'll unscrew it. And it does come with a converter. That's pretty cool. Pull out, push in, fits nice and securely, not going nowhere. Nice looking pen. Okay, the pen was made in China. And Mr. Announcer, can you give the other details about it?
This is part of the Luoshi Elements collection, and this one is water. I found it on eBay.
Okay. Now let's do some writing. And I'm going to use the Visconti blue ink and give this pen a whirl. Now it's got a cool looking nib, I say that. It's a decent pen. Cost around, what, 10 bucks?
Yes.
Not a bad looking pen. So here we go. Very nice nib on it. I think it's a fine nib. Very nice. Now we'll try reverse. And you definitely can use this pen on reverse if you need it. Downstrokes and cross strokes. And we'll give it a wet test. Nice and wet, juicy nib. I'm going to say fine medium maybe.
Yeah, is there such a thing as a medium fine?
Well, it writes to me like a fine medium, a little bit of both. It's not really a fine to me, but then it's not really a medium. So I'd call them fine medium. That's how I just call them. I don't know how anybody else calls them. It's all good. Now watch. Magic. That is a juicy nib. Wow, for $10? Yeah, you can't beat that with the stick. Folks, thank you for joining me at Larry's Fountain Pen Review today. The one and only. Yo, bro. Peace and lots of love. And remember, please don't text and don't drive. Later, Gator. I'm out of here.